In this video, I am going to show you how you can install Cloudbot on Windows, Linux, macOS, and all other operating systems. So, what is Cloudbot? The AI that actually does things. It is a bot that you can use on your computer and it can clear your inbox, send emails, message, your calendar for flights, all from WhatsApp, Telegram, or any chat app that you are using. So, what people say, messages from different people, and if you want to explore the features or the messages from different users, you can go through it. So, this is a message. I am having a lot of fun with this, and it's going to totally change the way I support my student learning how to wipe code. So I think it seems there is a lot of use cases and people are using uh, this tool for many different use cases. So let's get it started. You can install it on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. So for npm, you can these are the commands to install using npm. This is a hackable command, and on the for Mac OS, this is the download. And one liner, I can change the Windows CMD. So this is the command for Windows installation. Copy it. I will go into the terminal and simply run this command. Now the installer is installing it. Now I need to close this terminal and open the installer again. I have opened the terminal again and now it is running the installer. I will open the PowerShell and run this command IWR, and this is installing the Node.js is being installed. I will try the cmd command. Now the installation is being done. I understand this is powerful and inherently risky. Continue. Yes, I understand this is powerful and inherently risky. Quick start. I'll go with quick start. So these are the models that can be used. For now, I will just skip. Later, I will install it. Then filter models by provider. I'll go with Mistral. I'll go with this model. So there are different options for channels: WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Google Chat. For now, I will skip for now. Configure skills now. Preferred is NPM. Now the installation is completed. It is saying that it needs to be fixed. So let's see. It is saying to install the service. We need to run it into the administrator mode. CMD, run as administrator. Then I will Cloudbot, Dr. Fix. This command I need to run into the terminal. Now it is started successfully. I can visit this URL.